So if you're looking for a link whisper alternative, check this out. I'll show you exactly how it works, but what you do here is you connect your site right here, right? I'll show you how to connect it, right? And it's going to analyze, as you see here, it's going to analyze every single post that's been posted on your site, right? And then you can automatically have it so it adds links to the post. So right here, you see all these posts are on my site. I can click this one. I can also preview it here, right? All this has been, by the way, all this was generated with AI. And that's it. There's a post right here with images, videos, and all this, right? And what's going to do is you're going to click analyze, right? And now the AI is going to analyze all of these posts, right? And recommend me places where I can add links to, as well as these sources. So just wait a few seconds. I'll be back once it's done analyzing. Okay, so it's done. As you see, it gave me 9 suggestions. So all these are places inside of my article. If I copy this, right, and hit Control-F, this is a sentence, a suggestion, an anchor text inside of my article, right? And I can go here and skim through all these suggestions and click this. And if I click apply links, right, it's going to automatically add a link, right, to this, right? Your links have been placed. If I just go here and click refresh, it's going to be a link added here, right? There we go. The link was automatically added here, and it's a relevant link. Now this is random, right? If I go here again, I can see the other suggestions, right? Bathing and shampooing. Again, this is not just random, right? It's not for people. And the AI knows it's for dogs because it has the whole context of the article taken into account. It's recommending me here, right, different places I can link out to, and all these are relevant, right? If I can go here, I can open them up if I want, right? And this is an article that talks about golden retriever bathing and bathing care, right? It's not a random article, it's an article that's specific to, and even recommends products, right? Specific to what this anchor text is about. Again, I can go here, I can select all the ones I want, right? And I just hit apply links, right? And the links are going to be automatically applied. And just copy this right here and paste it in here, right? There's no link here, right? I cannot click this, but if I hit refresh, the AI has added a link in, right? There we go, right? And also the nail framing was the next one, which it recommended me right here. Yeah, right here, which I added this article right here. Again, none of this is random. This is all done with AI, and the tool is called Journalist AI. If you just go to tryjournalist.com, you can set this up. Essentially what it does is it analyzes all the blog posts on your blog, right? Reads through them and then recommends you places in which you can add links to, as well as giving you a multitude of sources, right? Not just one. It gives you a bunch of sources you can choose from, and all these are relevant, right? Because we analyze the article for relevancy, we also analyze all the sources it links out to for relevancy, and also the little anchor text right here. And it's a great tool for automating external linking. At the moment, it's solely for external linking, but it also works for internal linking. Super cool. Now, if you want to know a bit more about the tool, what this does, essentially, it's just Journalist AI. It's essentially you connect the AI with your site, right? It can automatically generate posts and post them to your site. All these posts are feature rich with images, videos, links, again, all this, right? This was done with this AI. All this is written with AI, right? And you can automatically also syndicate them to your social media platforms. So super, super cool. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you to check it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.